And, Thomas, I can already see AI and generative AI in particular is already creating a lot of new problems for HR people when we've
Yep.
got job applicants who are using AI to write or rewrite their resumes, to write thank you letters, to generate potential interview questions and responses, and. We've got job seekers using AI to apply to 5,000 jobs in 1 week for one
Yep.
person. So AI is creating all kinds of new work and problems for HR people. And I haven't seen any vendors come up with any countermeasures or solutions to the new Gen AI created problems. Are you seeing anything coming up on your radar? Does anybody even talk about these kind of things? Because it
Yeah.
seems like, okay, well, tell me. I want to hear this. This is
Yeah.
gold if you
So
got it.
so we made investment 3 weeks ago into a company based out of Utah called SquarePeg, right? And again, aiming at SME recruitment, but one of the key capabilities in their product is to help deal with the wave of automated applications that are hitting SME. We did an investment in Fund One into a company called Copyleaks, right? And Copyleaks is probably today the leading plagiarism detection software. And what that's able to do is spot to a pretty good rate examples of generated writing. So even if you put it through 3 or 4 times, it can still figure it out. It can also spot, which is very very important in the software world, spot generated code, because it's all very well hallucination in a document is one thing, right? Hallucination in some software code is a pretty scary thought. And so, this helps identify that. Copyleaks has gone gangbusters. That's one to look at. But we're very excited about SquarePeg